Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use uh, the WooCommerce REST API. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to add some settings so you can enable the API, etc., or some settings that would allow us to communicate with the API in a optimal form. So the first thing would be is to choose or to set up the permalinks. And basically you can just go to settings and then go to the permalinks, and after that you will be needing to go to your permalink structure and choose either a post name or the name, etc. Then you will be needing to go to your WooCommerce settings so we can start setting up our API. So from settings, you will need to go to advanced, and after that, you will need just to go to the REST API. So from the REST API, you can add a new API key. So this API key would allow you to start connecting or to start sending requests to your WooCommerce, so you can either retrieve data or post data. You give it a description, you choose who is able to use it, and of course the permission for this REST for this key. So either it will be able to fetch data from your store, etc. You generate the API key, and basically I'm just going to add here and click on generate API, and those are the consumer key and secret key. Make sure that the secret key doesn't show anywhere, so make sure always to be as a secret or hidden, and after that you can start communicating simply with this API key. So you will need just to use your uh, WordPress uh, URL, and then you can start using or using your REST API. So you can either start testing by Postman. So basically you will need just to go to the API reference for WordPress. So you can just simply go to WordPress, WooCommerce API references or documentation. And basically from here you can see on how you can use some examples or some distance. So as you can see some example on how to use the WooCommerce, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching. See you next time.